Hello, first grader, and welcome to our science class. So, for today, we are now in lesson 7, but this is a continuation of our lesson number 6. So, what is our lesson for lesson number 6? Okay, we talk about the benefits of animals. Okay, again, we talk about the benefits of animals. So this would be the part 2 of benefits of animals. Before going there, I want to bring you to our last lesson. So this is review time. So again, we talk about the benefits of animals, right? Okay, the very common one of the benefits of the animals is that we use animals as our food. Okay, look at this picture. So this one is a shrimp. We cook it and eat it. And we have also chicken. So we also cook the chicken and then we eat them. So that is for number 1. We used animals as our food. Second, we use animals as our pet. Okay, when we say pet, so that is our friend. Okay, it's become our family. So like for example, the rabbit. Okay, we raised rabbit for pet. What else? We also have dogs, right? So we have dogs in our house. We use them as our companion. We use them as our friend, right? And also birds, okay? So these are the animals. These are the examples of animals that we raised for pet. Okay, we use them as our pet. Okay, third is we have for transportation. Again, we have for transportation. Okay, when we say transportation, so it's like a thing that transfer us from one place or another. So we use animals for transportation. Like for example, we have horse. We have horse, right? So when we ride on the horse, this horse will transfer us from one place to another. We have also cow. Okay, for old times, especially in the mountain, they use cow for transportation. Not only for transport people, but also transport products. Okay, rice, goods, right? So next to that is we have for work. Like for example, here in Thailand, we used elephant for work. We use buffalo to transfer goods. Okay, that is for work. So again, we use animals for work. So now let's go to our worksheet. Again, as what I said earlier, it's a continuation for the lesson number 6. So this is part 2. So I wanna invite you to open your book in page 104. So from the activity, you have to use the word given below to summarize the classifications of the benefits of animals in the diagram. So we have, okay, let's read for transportation. Again, for transportation. For transportation, we have as a food, as a food, as a food. For work, for work. For work. We have cow, 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 and we have dog. So so what will you do today is you have to write the correct answer in the space provided. So like for example, we have fish. Okay. Again, what is the purpose of the fish, or what is the benefit of a fish? Okay, you can write your answer here. Can we use fish for transportation? Or can we use fish as our food? Or can we use fish for work? So what will be your answer? So jot down your answer here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, as a pet. As a pet. Okay, so all you have to do now is to find some animals that we used for pet. Is it the cow or the dog? Can we use cow as our pet? How about the dog? Okay, so whatever you answer, you can write your answer in this box. Okay, next is we have elephant. Elephant. So what is the benefit of the elephant? Can we use elephant for transportation? How about as food or for work? So that will be your answer. So whatever you answer, you can write here in the box provided. How about in here? Okay, the last one is first you have to write what is the purpose of that, or what is the benefit of that animal. Okay, so is it for transportation, as a food, or for work? Okay, how about in this box? So in this box you have to write the animal. Again, here is the benefit of the animals, and for this box you have to write the animal. So we have two animals here. We have cow and we have dog. Okay, for these two animals, you already write the first animal in here, right? So how about what animals left? So you can write here. And then what is the purpose or the benefit of that animal? Next is that you have to check the box in front of the benefit of the animal. So this is in page 105 of your book. So we have rabbit. So what is the use of, or what is the benefit of a rabbit? Is it for work or is it as our pet? I hope you can answer this one. Okay, check the correct answer. Okay, how about this one? How about the duck? Duck. Are we use duck as our food? Or do we use duck as for work? For work. So what is the correct answer? Okay, next is we have horse. How about the horse? So what is the benefit of the horse? Is it for transportation or is it as our pet? Can we use horse as our pet? Can we play with them? Okay, and lastly we have elephant. Again, we have elephant. So what is the benefit of the elephant? Okay. What is the benefit of the elephant? Is it as a food? As a food or for work? For work. Okay, next to that is you have to draw a picture of an animal or find a picture of an animal that you know or like in the region. Then glue it in the box and write down the name and the benefit of the animal. So that is in page 106 of your book. Again, you can draw or you can get from the book or you can print, okay, any animals that you want, okay, then you can paste or you can draw it here. And then next is you have to write the name of the animal, okay. For example, I draw dog, okay, I draw the dog in here. So what is the benefit of a dog? Okay, so what is the benefit of the dog? So I will write also the benefit of the dog in here. So that's the end of our class for today, and thank you for listening. Have a good day, everyone. I know